You not gonna get in? No. Why not? I'm trying to get you. I'm trying to give you more. You don't want more? No.
Thank you. Can you say it? Thank you.
If someone asks what is the most effective way to wake people up,
On the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. All good.
¿Qué? Venga, pues. Ay, Dios mío.
She's going she's going to me. She's going to me.
That's on me. That's on me.
Mia, stop screaming. No, it's inappropriate. It's inappropriate at this point. It's just been 30 minutes of yapping for no reason. You've been fed, you've gotten pets, you've gotten kisses.
Tom, don't knock down everything on there, please. Don't knock that down. You're such a good kitty. You have self-discipline and you won't knock it down. Okay.
What's wrong? Relax. Hey.
I've been calling for hours. Anyone here want to play with me?
Hello.
It's not food time yet. It's not food time.
Stop!
Hi. How are you? Mama says no. I said no. Max. Why'd you have to do that?
Can you say hi? Are you cute? Are you? Yeah, you are. Is Kai pretty? Very pretty, yeah. Are you a sweet boy? Oh.
Bella? Say Bella. Bella.
Ja, und was machst denn du da? Ja, wirklich? Okay. Gut, dann machen wir weiter. Tschüss.
What, are you done with my kisses now?
Disappointing humans with teamwork skills is something this kitty will not allow.
You just answer one question.
Food, medicine, treats, love, grooming, catnip. Grooming. Oh, you want grooming? You're so darn cute. I love you.
I love you. Say that. No. You hungry?
Cat. Listen carefully. I said no. Cats are basically professional attention seeker. So does him. The kitten is very happy when its mother comes home. With a pout like that, yeah, you're getting double the snacks.
What's wrong? What? What? Do you want to come up?
Are you so cute? Yes, you are.
So the adults are actually starting to come in as incisors. Those middle ones.
Oh my gosh, he's so pretty. This is Smooch. Oh, I spayed her yesterday. And I think she needs to come home with me. I think she needs to be my friend. I don't know.
No. You don't need more food. You have some.
Dude.
Hello?
Dawson is one of those sweetest cats you can find.
Hi, Mom.
Real bitch! No, you're not gonna call me no bitch, because I'm not none of these girls. I'm gonna whoop your ass, 'cause I'm not none of them.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Takla at bakayım. At bir takla. At. Gel buraya gel.
Excuse me, sir.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Kisses, please.
You're adopted.